One token is 5 peso. Okay, we can show how much. This is 1 peso. Or 5 peso, 1 token. How much money, Shaira? Ah, you count first.
Tokens.
54 tokens. Every token 5 peso. How much? 54. Calculate, Shaira.
270 pesos.
270 peso.
I need more.
Georgi don't want to play.
So I paid 200 in money. So it's 270 pesos.
270 peso. Good, good.
I can use this one.
How much money you buy? For how much money you bought tokens? 60 peso.
Because I sing. I
Uh-huh.
sing some song. So maybe I use maybe 40 pesos and then this 20 pesos is for my
Okay.